Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. It's Jerry from BackCountry Wrenching. Today we're gonna look at some new camping gear I got from Firemaple. As you can tell, it's pretty wintry outside. I got the trailer parked for the rest of the winter time, but it's not gonna stop me from going out camping. So let's have a look at these products before I take them out in the bush and try them for real. First item we got, self-explanatory. It's a spork. Spoon and a fork, titanium. Got a canister punch in the back there, so when your canisters are empty you can puncture them. It's pretty cool. Definitely a nice addition to my kit. So this is a French press coffee kit, and being out in the woods, I've had a percolator I've had out for a while, and the problem with it is I just find that it makes too much of a mess. It's too much to clean and it makes too much coffee. This here is going to be the perfect size for that single cup. But this right here, the Polaris cooking system, is what I'm pumped about. It's an all-in-one. It's compact and it's not going to take up a lot of space when I'm out traveling. Let's get this bad boy out of the box, and this is it. This is it. That's all it comes in. One little bag. I even got a gas canister because it doesn't come with a gas canister for obvious reasons. But yeah. So this is obviously your insulated pot. It's got a lock down there that you can release right there. Your lid, of course. This is your base for your gas bottle. Pull the gas bottle out and then get the stove out, and this little piece right here is if you want to use a pot, a different pot than what this one is. You can set this down on top, cook your meals. Let's get this set up. Get this pot out of the way for the time being. So your base folds out, locks in place. Put your bottle in there. There we go. Let's pull this top off the gas bottle. Remove this. Turn your gas valve out. Make sure that it's shut. Your igniter's on the side, because if it's not shut, it's going to start spewing gas. Oh, tighten it up. Perfect. Just do a test fire. It's adjustable too, which is nice. And then turn the valve and we're off. So one thing you don't want to do is you don't want to be cooking anything with an empty pot. Alright, coffee percolator comes in this little tiny bag, and your own little cup. Hey, isn't that cute? So some marks on the side of the cup. That must be for one cup, that must be for two. There it is. Pretty simple. Gonna boil some coffee, put it in there, put some hot water in there, let it steep for a few minutes. Push it down. Perfect for camping. So the pot does have a lock. You see these little tabs right there? There's little tabs. So you drop it in, and then you'll turn it, and then I'll lock it in place, and then unturn it. It's a little tight for right now, but over time, I'm sure it'll loosen up. And the pot definitely has enough surface area for cooking, soups, whatever have you not. Alright, let's make some coffee. Dump some grinds in there. Let's get some water heated up. You can hear the gas. It's got some proof to it for sure. You probably don't want your face in the way. So right now, just have the gas turned down low. Steaming in there pretty good. Just gotta see how long it's gonna take to boil. Probably be able to see a flame at nighttime. We're already getting some condensation on top of the lid there. As they said before, you don't want to be burning this pot dry. You'll definitely ruin it. It's about -5 outside. Be really good to test this out when it's like -20. Holy, that's quick. I'm already starting to see some steam come out the top. Look at that. We're probably like about 2 minutes in. Now we're boiling. Now we're talking business. All right. Let's pour some in there. Dump the rest. In the wintertime, this is going to cool down quick, but you should let it sit for like 4 minutes or so to get a pretty good brew. But I'm not going to be drinking it. I'm just going to brew it up. Got our lid on there. Oh yeah, we got some pressure. You can feel the pressure as you're pushing it down. Nice. Got it down. Let's pour some into my little magic cup there. If you pour too much, starts coming out the sides. Look at that, hey? Shut her down. Nice. See how much there is. All the coffee freaks are probably freaking out. I can get a cup and a half out of that thing. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, I'll try some of my backyard coffee here. Oh, it's warm. And it's black. Would wake you up when you're out camping for sure. That's pretty strong. That's no K-cup brew, that's for sure. Yeah, it does a good job. There's enough coffee in there to give you a caffeine fit for a few days. So now we're gonna pack it up. Make sure it's cool first. Unscrew it quick so you don't lose a bunch of gas. This part here, before you put this in, you gotta fold it first, so kind of turn it flat. Put that in place. Disconnect your gas bottle. If you kept your lid, put that in top. Fold up that. Put your lid on. Press the button. Fold that up. Hit the tab, and you're set. So there you have it, the Firemaple Polaris. I'm going to be looking forward to actually taking this out in the bush, trying it out for real. In your backyard, you can play around with it and test it, but it's not a true test in the wilderness, so to speak. So I want to know in the comments below if this is something you guys would purchase or not, or if you have one or something similar. And if you have any tips and tricks. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. And if you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.